Now, we just did a video on Friday. It was a comment about a cruise passenger upset that they heard crew members speaking to each other in their native language. I'll go ahead and link that video up there if you haven't seen that one first. But we're back because somebody, well, they had a comment about that comment. See, they have the solution. They know how to solve the problem of crew members talking to each other in their native languages. And believe it or not, it's well, what they really need to do is hire only Americans. Chris here with High Seas Cruising. Welcome to today's video. And yeah, we're still talking about crew members talking in the native languages and a follow-up comment. Somebody who has the answer, has the solution, who honestly believes in their mind that the way you solve this problem of foreign crew members talking in foreign languages on a cruise ship is to hire Americans. And it's the cruise line's fault because they stop it, they prevent it. But I gotta ask, is it that cruise lines are blocking Americans from working on ships? Or is it the fact that these crew members, they work 7 days a week? They work months at a time. They rarely get time off or days off. And look, let's be honest, what they get paid is less than what you're going to get paid here, say, in the United States. It may be a lot of money to them, but it probably wouldn't be a lot of money to an American. So I kind of wonder how many Americans are actually lined up waiting for these cruise ship jobs. How many Americans are like, damn it, I didn't get the room steward job on board this Carnival ship. I didn't get the room steward job on Norwegian Cruise Lines, the head server in the main dining room over on Royal Caribbean. How many people really think that that is the case and that is the situation? And would you really want a cruise ship full of only Americans serving you? Now, you may say no to that, but here's somebody that thinks that's exactly what should happen. We were on the breeze. We agreed with the OP. My husband made an excellent observation that apart from the cruise director, we didn't notice any Americans on staff like waiters, bartenders, even in the casino. It is scandalous that Carnival does not hire more American young people. The cost of living in America is at an all-time high. Rent, utilities, transportation to and from work, and food eats up a lot of a person's wages. Cruise workers don't have these expenses. It would be a good starting job to build up a little nest egg before starting college or to gain a lot of experience in the service industry. They should be hired, and as you cruise with all American passengers, why would you not have American workers in most positions? It's not right that you turn your back on Americans who want to work. Why should foreigners get all the jobs? There's a whole lot wrong, at least I think, with this comment in general and the person who even wrote it. Everybody that wants to apply can apply to the cruise lines to get a job. The big difference, though, is when it comes to room stewards and waiters and bartenders is, let's be honest, the Americans are not lined up to get these particular jobs. But according to them, it's scandalous that Carnival Cruise Lines doesn't hire more Americans. But it's the end of the comment that makes me think maybe, just maybe, this person, they live in a tiny little bubble and they have no idea that maybe there's a whole bunch of world out there that they seem to forget about when they write things down. Because according to them, they cruise with all American passengers. All American passengers. There is never a chance, there is never a possibility, it never happens that there are passengers on board that ship that are not from the United States? That'd be weird. It's absolutely not possible that these cruise lines cruise from countries all around the world and not just America. Weird too, right? So we have a cruise line that cruises from around the world, hires people from around the world, but it's the cruise line, it's Carnival, that has turned its back on Americans that want jobs. So here's my first question. Are you an American that has been denied a job on one of the cruise ships in favor of somebody from another country? Has the cruise lines really and honestly turned their back on you? I'd actually like to know if that's really the case. I've cruised before. I have seen and met Americans working on the cruise ships. They are still working the long hours, the many days, the no days off. Definitely not for the greatest pay, but they wanted to work on the cruise ship and they are working on the cruise ship. So I don't know that the cruise lines have turned their backs on Americans as much as maybe the Americans don't want those particular jobs. But I do like how the comment is ended with, why should all them foreigners get all the jobs? I'm thinking that cruising, where again, you're going to have crew members from around the world. You're going to get on a ship that leaves the country you embark in and go visit other places around the world that are not full of Americans. You're gonna see foreigners. So if you got a problem with foreigners having jobs, I'm thinking cruising, you know what? That's not for you either. Stay your ass home. And that is going to be our video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.